Hey there. Hi, this is Lynne Watanabe MacFarlane, and I can't wait to share with you my latest listing. I just signed them up, and this is a wonderful 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo with an attached 2-car garage. And the location couldn't be any better with everything opening up in the Santa Cruz County. Capitola is wonderful. There's so many cultural events and art and beach and culinary delights over here. And this property, I can't wait to share with you, has a tranquil front yard, and it's 3 stories, and it has a loft upstairs, bedroom loft upstairs with a top deck. And so anyway, we're gonna just get it ready. And if you have any questions and or you have any interest in having a beach property, I'd love to share with you what's going on and keep you in the loop. All right, take care and have a great weekend. Bye-bye.